Big. Enormous. This house is very big and nice to live in. This house is enormous and feels very comfortable to live in every day. Small. Tiny. This box is very small and easy to carry anywhere. This box is tiny and very light, so I can carry it easily. Happy. Ecstatic. She is very happy today because of the good news. She is ecstatic today because she received wonderful and surprising news. Sad. Miserable. He is very sad because he lost his favorite thing. He feels miserable because he lost something very important to him. Fast. Swift. The car is very fast on this empty road today. The car is swift and moves smoothly on this quiet road today.
Slow. Sluggish. The turtle is very slow while moving across the garden. The turtle looks sluggish as it slowly moves through the garden. Easy. Effortless. This task is very easy for me to complete quickly. This task feels effortless for me and takes very little time. Hard. Challenging. The exam is very hard for most students today. The exam is challenging, but helps students learn better skills. Scared. Terrified. I am very scared when I walk alone at night. I am terrified when I walk alone at night. Angry. Furious. He is very angry because someone broke his phone. He is furious because someone accidentally broke his new phone.